I'm here at CES 2025 with the new Circular Ring 2. This just-released smart ring beats two of the best smart rings currently on the market, the Oura Ring 4 and the Samsung Galaxy Ring, in two key ways. Let's get into it. You're probably familiar with ECG readings. Most modern smartwatches can do it, but this is the first time, or one of the first times, the feature has been available in a finger-based wearable. It's even FDA-cleared for AFib detection. Now, if you're trying to keep tabs on your sleep quality, I think that this is a lot easier to wear to bed than this. It also has a lot longer battery life than an Apple Watch. This bad boy lasts up to 6 days, which is just a little bit less than Oura and Samsung. Another key selling point is its virtual sizing feature, which I'll show you in just a second. Price-wise, it costs the same as the Oura Ring, $349, but it doesn't require a subscription. It's also cheaper than the Galaxy Ring, which starts at $399. That said, pricing increases depending on your choice of finish, with a maximum price of $549. With up to 6 days of battery life and highly detailed wellness and sleep tracking insights, it's well positioned to be one of the smart rings to beat in 2025. Using your phone's camera in the app, you simply take a picture of your hand next to a credit card, and AI does all the work figuring out what size your ring should be. This is our sleep score, which is a 95, which is obviously optimal. You can see when we went to bed and when we woke up, sleep duration, disturbances, circadian rhythm notes, REM sleep notes, insights into deep sleep, and much more. You can even have a look at your different sleep cycles and the various stages and how they progress throughout the night. So now we're gonna look at our energy score, which is tied to the sleep score, but also looks at daily activity to give you an idea of how much energy you have for the day. 87 is a pretty good score. These are the parameters it's based on. This data is useful because it gives you an idea of what kind of challenges you can take on for the day. If you have a higher score, you're probably good to go out and do a big workout, but if your score is too low, you might want to take it easy and rest. And that's our first look at the Circular Ring 2. Stay tuned for complete testing and a full review on tomsguide.com. And give us a follow on all major social platforms @TomsGuide for more CES 2025 coverage. For Tom's Guide, I'm Dan.